Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to comment photo in TikTok. So first, you just have to simply launch your TikTok application and then look for that specific video that you want to interact with. So as you can see here, if I'm going to tap this comment section and tap this add comment right here, as you can see, I can't see any option or feature in which I can add a photo from a gallery or take a picture. I can only add emojis and this add or mention button. But if I tap this reply option right here from a comment of someone or a TikTok user, I can see this camera icon here. And if I'm going to tap this one, it will take me directly to this in where I can add a photo. So all you have to do is to tap photo and then import a photo from a gallery. And that's it. But if I comment a picture directly from or reply a picture from a video, then I think it's not possible at this very moment. I don't know, maybe it depends on their vision or it's not yet available in my country. If it's available in your country, then it's okay. But right now, I can see that option right here unless I reply something from a TikTok user. Then there, I can comment a photo on TikTok. So that's it. I really hope this video helped you. So if you have found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorials.